Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's make this extraordinary punch, Jamaican strongback, power punch, whatever you want to call it. The drink is not ordinary, adults only. Let's get into the ingredients. So here I have some bananas, which I'll be only using one, supligen, guinness, condensed milk for sweetener, peanut, vanilla, cinnamon, nutmeg, and some oats. And I will leave a guide of the recipe in the description below. So we're now gonna dump all our ingredients into the blender and get it going. So now it's time to blend all our ingredients together. Guys, I did lost the clip of when I started the blender, but all I did was to start the blender. So here's our power punch blending away. And guys, let me tell you something about this punch. It's the real deal. If you're a Jamaican, you know the all works. And if you're not, you should definitely try the recipe. Serve up and enjoy. Serve with some ice or serve chill. It's a must try, guys. And when you do try the recipe, I'd love to hear back from you. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe for some more awesome recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you in another one. Bye for now.